Have you been missing crispy snacks since you started your keto diet? I know I do. In this video, I'm going to show you a couple of tricks to get your chaffles extra crispy to satisfy that crunch. So stick around and we'll get started right after this. So this recipe this week, real basic, just 1 egg, 2/3 of a cup of mozzarella cheese, and then this is some shredded Parmesan cheese, which is going to come into making these chaffles extra crispy. So we get set up here. I've got the egg beat up in this bowl, so we're going to add the shredded mozzarella cheese in here. Start giving it a good mix. Now this would be a good time to give a thumbs up to the video if you're enjoying the content, and consider subscribing. We're getting really close to 5,000 subscribers on the channel at the time of this video. So it's a really exciting time for the channel, and I really appreciate you all being here supporting me with these videos. So like I said, this is a basic chaffle recipe. We're working on trying to make them extra crispy today, so no extra ingredients. So here we've got the Dash Minis all warmed up. So the first part of making them crispy is going to be to add some of this shredded Parmesan cheese into the waffle irons first. Now you can put as much or as little of this in as you want. It is going to add a bit of a salty flavor to it, being Parmesan, which I'm completely okay with. So there we go, with a nice layer of the Parmesan down first, and then we're going to start splitting up the egg and cheese mix into the Dash Minis. This will make 2 chaffles today. So that's the first one all loaded up, and we'll get this second one ready to go. Make sure to get everything out of the bowl. There we go. So the next part is to add some more of that shredded Parmesan cheese on top of the mixture, because we're trying to get a nice crunch on both sides of the chaffles. And again, this is all up to you how much you use of the Parmesan cheese. So there we go. We'll close up the Dash Minis, and these will take 4 to 5 minutes to cook. Here we are, all cooked, nice and golden brown. Get these out of here, and here's where the second part of getting really crispy chaffles comes in. We're going to pull them out of the Dash Minis, and we're going to set them on a wire rack for a few minutes to start cooling down. This helps keep keeps the chaffles off of a plate or on the counter or your board kind of thing. Okay, so there you have it. Quick and easy chaffles with 3 ingredients made extra crispy using shredded Parmesan cheese and a grate or like a wire rack to rest them on when you're finished cooking. I don't know if you can see, definitely nice and golden brown. These would be great for burger buns or sandwich bread, or just by themselves if you just want a nice crispy snack. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Just a quick how-to, not a new recipe. Obviously you could add all sorts of ingredients to these if you want as well. But if you enjoy this video, consider subscribing, hit that thumbs up, and we'll see you on the next one.